Granny, I found the weirdest gadget ever. Do you want to look at it?
Oh, okay, let's make a contest. Who can make as many push-ups?
Oh, you already know what it is?
1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh. No, it's not for me.
Not for me either.
No, stop, you look stupid. I guess it's for the lips. Okay, you put in... You have blue lips. I want to try this. Ta-da! Put it on my lips. I pump. It changes my face. It's a yes.
The famous lip stencil. You just put it on your face like this. And then you look like a fish.
Oh my god. There we are.
Well, this is very, very particular. This is really sexy. I love it.
Oh my god.
This is a real catastrophe.
How am I going to take this off? It stays.
This is a no. This is a no.
I'm really having fun watching this video. So now she has taken the cucumber and she puts it in a blender and now I want to try. So this is the frozen blended cucumber. I put it on your face. Oh, it's so cool. This is nice. It stretches your skin. Whew. It's a yes.
Oh, come on. This is a very cool gadget. You can make your own homemade masks.
Welcome to use Smart Fruit Facial Mask Machine.
This is real magic, you see? Go, Granny. Go, Granny.
I did it.
Woo! Cool job. Then there is a little cap that you just have to put inside. So, I'm gonna put a
press
bit of
start
glitters. Yes, I hear you. Start button. All right.
Please wait while processing.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
The goal is to make me beautiful.
You already shine, okay?
It's like an omelette.
Exactly. Oh, it's so sweet. I love it, actually. I really love it. I really like the idea, I like the design. And
Oops.
who wants an omelet?
Hello, young lady. She puts something. Okay, she's contouring the lip and then put it as a lipstick. I want results. Well, you don't even need it. You have such thick lips already. This is the magical lip plumper. Let's do it. It's fresh. It stings a little bit. The difference is so light. It's a no for me. I'm not buying it, but she does.
Give me your money, give me your soul.
What is it?
It is called a cool gel mask. Granny, this is a thing you have to try.
I can walk in the street at night, nobody will bother me. Thank you for making me discover this. I take it.
So I think it's a yes for my granny.
Okay, let's see the next one. This lady, she puts a plastic mask, kind of a patch on her forehead. Come on, you don't need anything. You strip the plastic like this. You put it on your forehead. Now it's been a couple of hours. Up. Yes, no. No, yes. Why not? It's a why not.
So I want you to guess what it is.
It's not a crown.
No.
Curate? No. Lip plumper?
No. If I show you these two. Yeah, all right, you got it.
Oh. There we are. That's clever.
So this is called a nail polish holder. Actually, the green looks great on you.
I'm a rock and roll granny.
I think you found the best gadget here today.
Finally.
I love it. We love it.
It's a yes. It seems like a jellyfish or a sex toy. She's covered with foundation. And next to what? Tuk. I mean, it's just a gadget. Now it's makeup time. There. Ta-da! There you are. Okay. It's soft. This is ridiculous. It's a no.
Imagine a new gadget that can curl your eyelashes in a few seconds.
You try first.
You don't trust me? Oh my god, I feel...
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, let me try.
It didn't work on me, actually, so maybe it's gonna work on you.
You know why it doesn't work? I didn't turn it on.
It seems like it's a bit weird. I mean, just use a simple one.
We agree. It's a no. You look as if you haven't slept in a week. It has disappeared. I can't believe it. This is a fake. I want to test it. This is the eye tightener. I'm going to put it underneath here. Let's wait for a few minutes. It's really... Wow. This is a yes, yes, yes. It's a miracle. My life changed when I discovered it. I see now what he's doing. As long as I live, never. So here's the magical pen. I put it in my ear so I can see what's inside. I turn around. I think it's a no. Goodbye, folks. This is the end. I hope you had fun. This is Nicole, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
All day we've been holding back. The pressure builds until we snap.